So this is a question we have of October 10. So what a question we have. First equation we have given, find equation of line AB. Make sure some student misunderstood here sometime. They think equation of the equation of the normal or tangent. Sometimes they assume normal or tangent. And whenever we need equation of tangent or normal, we always need a gradient to differentiate the curve, like we have differentiate. But luckily, in this question, he talk about not the equation of tangent, not normal. It's a simply equation of line AB. And equation of line AB means this line AB. And I need 2 points on it. Either one is this and one is this. So when I get two coordinate and then I find equation of line by topic of a coordinate geometry. How to get A coordinates? 100% confirm this curve comes and goes through A. So at A, 100% x0. So I'm writing it here for A. For A, put x0. So when I put x0, student, so 0 comes here, 0 got gone. So 1 to power half, 1 4 31. So it turns to be 1, alhamdulillah. So A coordinate becomes x0, y1. Similarly, for B coordinates, what I will do, because at the, look at here x5, 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 x5 throughout. So it means that B understood one thing, confirm, so put x is equal to 5. So in the question of curve, so y is equals to 1 over 3 times 2, 5, and plus 1 to power 1 over 4. So 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 power 1 by 4 become half. So it means the coordinates of B it turns to be 5 comma half. So how to find gradient now? So y2 minus y1, sorry, y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So simply find it like this. Half minus 1 and 5 minus 0. So if you type in calculator or do it yourself, it become negative 1 over 10. Now equation of the line I'm looking for equation. So what is the formula? Y minus y1, y1, you can take either A or B because these are easy to put A value. So this one will behave as a y1 and 0 will behave as a x1. Y minus y1 and negative 1 over 10 times to x minus x1. So y minus 1 equals to negative 1 over 10, 1 over 10x. So one goes on the other side. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, first target is achieved. First target is done. Now 9 marks for second part, and second part is asking for the volume, okay, about the rotate about x-axis of the Dishira region. So in this part, line is above and curve is below, okay. So what is the plan of action? That line, because line is above and curve is below, so line and curve, this is a plan of action. So because the not area is volume about x-axis, so here x1, here x2, here x1, here x2, and the square of the line and the square of the curve and minus them and outside pi. So this is the whole plan of the finding the volume. So let's see how we can fulfill the plan. I will do this separate and I will do this separate and then I will subtract them. So let's start. First of all, what is the lower limit? Lower limit of x is 0 and upper limit x is 5. So let's try for the part how to complete it. So let's try. So first of all, volume for the line part. So line, I will just write a word line so you can understand pi outside. And lower limit is 0, upper limit is 5, and equation of line I pick from here. Negative 1 over 10x plus 1 and power 2 and dx. So here pi, so I can only look at it as linear. What is linear means x power 1. If linear, no need to expand. And negative 1 over 10x plus 1, increase the power by 1, we got a 3 and divided by 3 into x coefficient. Or you can say that base derivative, that is negative 1 over 10. And limit is very clear, 0 to 5. This creates a lot of difficulty. Actually, this in fraction minus 3 by 10. So 1 over negative 3 by 10, if you flip it, it becomes negative 10 by 3 because it always goes up. And at this, bring it outside, negative 10 by 3 pi. And what left inside a bracket, negative 1 over 10x plus 1. Lot of algebra in this question, so a lot of chance of mistake. You have to be attentive in the whole concept. And now I'm going to plug in the values negative 10 by 3 pi. And when I plug in the 5 in the place of this, let's see what answer comes. So 5 and negative half plus 1 become half. Half 1 power is 1 by 8 comes. Minus. Now put 0 in the place of this, and 1 become it's 1. So is 1 by this is let me check again. This is 5 negative half plus 1 and 1 by 8. 1 by 8 minus 1. I got it this one negative 10 by 3 pi times to negative 7 by 8. So this multiply with a 10 divided by 3. So it gives us 35 over 12 pi unit cube. Okay. Now this line part is done. Now I'm going for the curve part. And the for curve part, what is the rule? This rule is same. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi, this one pi outside, and square of the whole thing. So square of the whole thing means 1 over 3x plus 1, 2 power 1 over 4, and whole square. So some student think integrate first, put square later. No, first simplify square. Square of 1 is 1, and square of 2, 4 and 4 is cancel out, become half, and half goes up, become negative half. So I am going to integrate 3x plus 1 to power negative half. So a lot of algebra here we need to attend, concentrate. And increase the power by 1, we got a half. Half is called root by same half. And limit is 0 to 5. Let me recheck again. Negative half, 1 by 2 is a half. Negative half. Yes, all correct. And this, 1 over 1 by 2, it flips, becomes 2 only. So this becomes 2 pi. So I'm writing here 2 pi. Now I'm going to plug in the values. When I put 5, 5 to 15 plus 1, 16. 16 root give you 4. And when I put 0, it gives us 1. So this 3, it becomes 6 pi. So 6 pi. And now what is the issue? So what is the volume part I'm looking for? Finally, so this part minus that part. So 35 by 12 pi minus 6 pi. So let's check 35 divided by 12 and minus 6. It's turned to be 37 by 12. Well, let me check 1 minute, please. Yes, there's one mistake I have done here. The base derivative, like I have done it here. This one is 1 by 10. Like x coefficient will come here. And similarly, this x coefficient 3 will come here. So into 3. So 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. And that is why it becomes not 6 pi. It becomes 2 pi. And now if I check it, 2 pi, and it comes, inshallah, correct answer, 35 divided by 12 minus 2. It gives 11 by 12 pi unit cube, which is our required answer. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.